Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you around with me, pretty much showing you a day in my life. I've been running some errands. We'll be going to Sam's to pick up some snacks for the kids and just some things that we need around the home. Also, we'll be making a stop at Ikea to pick up some plants and see what's new in. So if you'd like to see what I do in a day in my life, stay tuned. Hi guys, so we just got back from picking up the things from the store. So I will just go through briefly and show you what we did get. From Sam's, we got eggs, Jamaican beef patties, potato bread. These are some guava pastries, butter, snacks for the kids, chips, more chips. Some K-cups, body wash, some good old Windex, dryer sheets, we are West Indian, so we use a lot of curry to cook. Never use this brand, hopefully it's good. So this is curry powder, garlic and herb seasoning, more snacks, fabric softener, the only one I love to use. Detergent, also the only one I love to use. Next will be Ikea. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you that. From Ikea we got this plant. Let's see what the name of it is. Focus. This is a real potted plant. We got some hangers for the kids. This is a drying mat for the days that I use the dishwasher and I need to place things on there to dry. Picked up some more sponges, more hangers. This is a napkin holder for the dining table. Trash can for my son's room. And I picked up this plant pot for a plant that I have. It currently doesn't have any pot with it. I will show you the plant pot. So it's pretty much this plant. It's an artificial plant. So I'm thinking to put it in that pot, or we also have one over here. I may actually put it on this one because this one is shorter. That one is pretty tall, so I don't want to really make it too much taller. But yeah, so that's what we picked up today.